guys, TraderJud here with chart number 3, week number 7 of the weekly charting series where I go over 10 different pairs. 3 different time frames per pair: the weekly, the daily, and the 4-hour time frame. We're looking at XauUsd or gold. On the weekly time frame, we see last week's candlestick was a very strong bullish engulfing candle that bounced off of the zone that I have drawn. That zone is based off of a daily candlestick, not a weekly candlestick, but it's relevant. As you can see, we had multiple touches of it before it skyrocketed. Let's go ahead and drop down to the daily time frame. We can see better. The zone is based off of a candlestick over here, I do believe. Excuse me. So we can see that price jumped around between these two zones. The reason why I drew this zone is just to show that, you know, this area that price is reaching right now, it could be considered a zone where we could see price reverse and continue back down. But these candlesticks are very strong, and so I would be surprised if we saw this go bearish long term, but you never know. So to me, this looks like we should see bullish momentum continue. However, if we were to draw a trend line here, it would be approaching that trend line, so we could see some bearish retracement before it continues bullish to complete what I believe is a butterfly pattern on the weekly time frame. Let's go ahead and drop down to the 4-hour time frame. We can see even more clear the zone that I have drawn on the bottom and the zone on the top. So price did just enter into that zone on the top. I added in a couple of horizontal lines just to add some more resistance levels, support levels, where price could potentially go. So if we do see a retracement, these arrows kind of tell the story of where I believe price will end up going. Slight retracement down to the 1340 level, or 1340.723 is what I have. Somewhere around here. This is just based off of these two touches right here, previous market structure. If we do see a break at that level, we could see 1330 or all the way back down to the zone. If the zone does get broken, you can see that it's a relatively strong area. Price has respected it on multiple occasions. So if we do see a break of this zone, I would expect a retest of this trend line down here. However, I do expect this to continue to go bullish long term. So if we do see a retest of the 134.723, then we should see some more bullish momentum. We do want to see this break above the zone drawn, and preferably above this trend line drawn, or not trend line, excuse me, horizontal line drawn, before buying. So I'm gonna lay off of gold for the beginning of the week and kind of just watch it, see which direction it wants to commit to before trading it. That's gonna be pretty much across the board with all the USD pairs this week. And so a lot of waiting, a lot of patiently waiting in the start of the week, for me at least, and just waiting to see which direction the USD pairs decide to go. So if you have any questions, go ahead and leave a question in the comment section down below, or shoot me a message on Telegram. My contact information is in the description below. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button to get on these weekly charting series videos and all of the other projects that I do have coming up, as well as just support the channel. And if you haven't hit this like button, go ahead and smash that like button for me. Well, that's it. Thank you for watching, and we'll continue on to the next one.